In this Google Business Profile tip video, I am going to show you how to upload pictures from your laptop or desktop to your Google Business Profile page. Okay, so first up, we're going to bring up your business. Make sure you're in your Chrome or Google. And as I always point out, you know you're logged into the correct business associated because you'll see your business on Google. Now, there's a few different ways of doing this. I can come over here and I can hit add photos, or I can go right here and click add photos. Since we've been doing the majority of everything right here from this business dashboard, let's go from here. So right here, I click add photos. I'm going to point out something interesting when I do this. It says select images or videos. Yes, you can add videos as well. That'll be in the next video. So this video is just how to add images. So I'm going to select images. I have an image right here to add to the business already. I like to make sure we always name the image and not just leave that file name on there. It's just better SEO. Later on, that could come up in a different image search. And it's another way of showing Google more of what you do and who you are. So I'm going to click open. And it will be added. Sometimes it takes a little while to add it. It'll say pending. If you see that, don't worry, just check back later. One last note that I'll make about adding these images. Google, oh, look, there it is already. It says pending right there. So I'm sure in maybe 20 minutes, it may be even less, it'll be on there. But something else I'd like to point out is what I've been noticing lately is when you add new images and someone's searching your business name or you go back and check on it, it's going to show the time date on when it was added. Why is that important? Well, that tells you that Google is paying attention to fresh content. So this will help your business rank as well if you're consistently adding real images of job sites, of your services or your products. So just keep that in mind. Okay, hope that helps. The mobile version of how to do this will be on this page or in the description. Stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.